How to recover Roblox account without email or password. So tap on the home button, and then from here we're going to launch Roblox. Next, tap on the sign in button. On the next page, enter in your username. So make sure you put in the username and not the display name. So in here, put it in. Then tap on next. Now when it asks you to put in the password, tap on Trouble signing in. Next, instead of using your email or password, tap on Use phone instead. And then enter in your phone number. And then tap on Next. Okay, after that, Roblox will send you a recovery code. So you need to put in the code in here. Then enter in the new password and confirm new password. Then tap on Update Password. Then you may need to verify your ID and fingerprint. So it says here, use your passkey to confirm it's really you. So tap on Verified. I will use my fingerprint to verify it. Okay, that's it, and that's done. Okay, now if you still have a problem, you can go to Roblox website and ask for help. So open up your web browser, and then in the web address, we're going to go to roblox.com/support. So we go to support. And in here, you want to, if it asks you to put in your birth date, put in your birth date. And then after that, we're going to put in your username, first name, email address, and confirm the email address. So here, put in the email address, and then we go down and choose the device type. So if you have iPhone or Android phone, select a type, and then we choose a category. So in here, scroll down and select the appropriate categories. So we choose can't log in, and then we choose a subcategory. So whether you forgot your password or you lost your key or other login issues. So just select that, and then in the description, fill in the description. I can't log in, for example. Please help. Okay, so put in the description. They will likely to ask you to verify some information. Do so if they request it. And basically using this support help page, you can retrieve your account detail again. So hopefully that will help you recover your Roblox account, and you don't need the email or password following this method. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.